Imagine a world where the birds have their society so well ordered, they could school us in the art of cueing. Enter the crow bros, the feathered gentlemen of the bird feeder, each waiting their turn with the patience of a saint in a DMV line. In the end, it's a bird-eat peanut world out there, and our crow bros are living proof that even in the animal kingdom, there's a fine line between order and opportunism. So next time you're stuck in line, just think of the crow bros and their impeccable queue etiquette unless you're the last one. Imagine a world where the animal kingdom has its own Uber service, and today's passengers are a goose and a pit bull. Now what could this feathery driver and his four-legged companion be plotting? In the end, it's clear they're on a mission, and we're all just spectators to this interspecies alliance. Will they reach their destination? Stay tuned. These poochers don't need no fancy certification. They've got instincts sharper than a hiker's walking stick. And when the journey's over, they don't ask for a tip, just a belly rub and a see you next time as they trot off into the sunset, leaving you with memories, paw prints on your heart, and a story that'll outlast the soles of your hiking boots. Ladies and gentlemen, gather round as we witness the most daring supermarket heist of the century, starring the fluffiest, most whiskered bandit of them all, a cat.
Gel buraya gel.
This feline mastermind with stealth and grace has snagged a bag of loot so precious it's got the whole internet buzzing with admiration. Watch as she outmaneuvers the bipedal onlookers, her tiny paws carrying the weight of motherhood and chicken or salmon or whatever the spoils may be. In the end, our furry burglar's tale wraps up with a perfect escape, leaving us all wondering if we've just witnessed a petty crime or the most adorable act of maternal love. Imagine, if you will, a monkey turning into a mobile mogul, holding phones hostage for the sweet nectar of juice. It's a jungle out there, and this primate is playing Wall Street in the trees.
सोशल मीडिया में तो देखा होगा कि यहाँ पर निधिवन में जो वानर हैं वो मोबाइल ले जाते हैं और फ्रूटी डालनी पड़ती है तो फिर जाके ये देते हैं फोन। और देखिए ये मोबाइल तो ले गया, मोबाइल इसके
In the end, it's a win-win. The human gets their tech back, and the monkey, well, he's just secured his next sugar rush. Talk about a fruitful exchange. Gather round as we witness the latest innovation in office productivity, a feline packing assistant. So the next time you're swamped with shipments, just remember, somewhere out there there's a cat who's got your back, and probably your tape.